How to see which apps are draining your battery the most. The most modern devices have built-in tools to help you identify hungry app. Typically, you can find a rank list in the biggest battery drains by following these steps. What you want to do is simply open your settings on your device. There, you want to make sure to go ahead and locate battery sections. After which, you go to the battery uses section. This is where you will be able to find the apps according to rank. You will see a list of app rank from highest to lowest consumption since the last full charge. So this is how you will be able to find out or see which apps are draining your battery the most. And as per the iPhone or an iOS user, you go to the settings app and look at battery. Then you could scroll down to the battery uses app section and you could toggle between the last 24-hour and last 10-day to see consumptions pattern over time as well. And this way you will be able to find out your apps that are draining your battery the most. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.